Ever felt like you're just one emergency away from a total disaster? Sudden hospital bill, your phone breaks, you get laid off. It's not just bad luck, it's poor preparation. But here's the good news. There's a simple way out. An emergency fund. So, what is an emergency fund? Think of it as your financial shock absorber. It's a stash of cash, easily accessible, that keeps life's curveballs from turning into full-blown crises. But here's the catch. Most people save whatever's left after spending, instead of spending what's left after saving. I know, I used to do the same thing, but it's time to flip the script. Let's break it down, step by step. Step 1, set a target. Start small, aim for $500. Once you hit that, build up to 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Step 2, open a separate account. Out of sight, out of temptation. Keep it liquid, but not so easy to touch that you'll dip in for a sale at the mall. Step 3, automate your savings. Even $5 a day adds up. Set it and forget it. Step 4, use extra income. Side hustle cash, tax refund, birthday money, toss it straight into your fund. Step 5, only for real emergencies. Not a last-minute vacation, not a Black Friday deal. We're talking job loss, medical bills, urgent repairs. Here's the payoff. Say you get hit with a surprise medical bill. Instead of spiraling into stress, you calmly tap into your emergency fund and handle it. It's not about if an emergency will happen, it's about whether you'll be ready. Start today, not next month, not next year. Your future self will thank you. And if you want more financial tips and education, subscribe to Jen Dollar. Remember, your emergency fund equals your freedom.